I went to my first ASH conference was in 1971. I think there were 2,500 people, and there was even a chalkboard there for the speaker if he wished, which seems astounding. Now, thing is that everything is going so astoundingly fast now. Treatments that treatment of myeloma, treatment of lymphoma, even and AML were stagnant for a number of decades. Actually, nothing exciting really when you look back. And now it is phenomenally advancing phenomenally, as everything is in society. Actually, technologically, socially, everything is. I can't imagine what it's going to be like in even 3 years.